enjoy the pleasures of sex.
Probably the last question for the evening, just the lady in the white. And let me tell you, I'm giving her the better mic, just in case.
I appreciate Mr. Pandey saying he doesn't believe in research. It's much better than the technology companies around doing stuff in the name of research and getting nowhere around it. I'm from IITB. I know research is a tough thing to do. So thanks, Mr. Pandey, for not making a hodgepodge out of research. You do your job well, and congratulations for that. Thank you.
When you do the research of the kind that does mankind good, I sit up and salute you. When you try and speak to a person about a product and speak to him on the surface, where the person concerned has just come for a free katori to spend an afternoon with you and has no opinion whatsoever, and you give your own interpretation, that is what I dislike.
So probably that was the last question. If anybody has any final comments.
One story for the lady whose ad got banned. I feel very sorry for you. See, take it in your stride. I remember 1983, there was a very famous ad of Vicks with a little girl and Jayant Kriplani in it, and he's saying, "Fir bhediye ne memne se kaha, main tumhe kha jaunga."
So even this is going to be banned
Yeah,
or something?
in the end, the 2.5-year-old girl winks at the father. 3 days later, the ad didn't come, and Richardson Hindustan called us and said, "Where's my ad?" So we said, "What happened?" So we called up Doordarshan those days, and they said, "We removed it." So why did you remove it? He said, "Our manual says girls cannot wink on TV." This was a 2.5-year-old. These things do happen.
So nevertheless, I hope, can we have the stage mics on, please? Thank you. So I really hope that you enjoyed yourself. If you did, needless to say, you need to just thank them. Fantastic. And the best part was there are a lot of advertising students, and to be very honest, sir, I did my graduation in advertising, looked up to all of you, and thank you for changing the face of advertising, and I really appreciate that. Once again, just let's thank them all. And we have a book signing session going on at the Aditya Birla Group Hall, so I request all of you to kindly proceed there. Thank you for giving us your time. And ladies and gentlemen, the next session is about to start in the next 15 minutes, so kindly grab a cup of coffee, enjoy yourself. Or I would rather rephrase my sentence. The book signing session is happening next to the Aditya Birla Group Hall. So make sure that you enjoy yourself. Grab a cup of coffee. We start the next session in the next 15 minutes. Thank you.